Hello everyone and welcome back to ForTechNet. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change your Instagram account into a business Instagram account or creator Instagram account. So the first thing is pretty obvious. Open up Instagram. Once you have Instagram opened, navigate to your profile page. Once you're on your profile page, look at the top right corner and you'll see three tiny lines. Press it. The first option says settings. Press that option. Here is where you're going to want to press account. It's about the 7th or 8th option downwards. Press that. Once you have account pressed, look at the very bottom and you'll find an option in blue text saying switch to professional account. Press that. Here's where you get the option to change your profile into a creator profile or business profile. I'm going to do business for now just for the sake of the tutorial. And here is where they give you tips on how to use the business profile. Press continue. Connect to your Facebook page. I'll skip that. And for the sake of categories, I will choose blogger. You can choose the category or the type of business that you are running. And press next. And input your address, contact info, phone number. And there it is. So now my account is a business profile. And in this business profile, you could check out business analytics. As you can see on the top of the page, it shows how many people or accounts visited your profile in the last 7 days. I only got 2 visits. Oh well. If you guys benefited from this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with people who can benefit from it. Check out the description below to see different ways on how you can contribute to this channel. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.